will the next time. I don't know why it's not safe right now, but who knows. We'll just follow what the guides are saying because they're making sure we are super safe and we're doing this as safely as possible. Going on the top. I will. Come on. Okay. Come on.
Wow, super.
ভিডিওটা সবার কেমন লাগে কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন।
Okay. I sit.
Yeah.
You sit here.
Okay.
I finally made it on top of the train. I don't know what that means. Train is moving. Everyone's being so lovely. They're like making